So for this one, we've got a 1-pan gnocchi bake. We've got gnocchi, which you can freeze again. We've got Italian pork sausage, again, can be kept in the freezer. We've got asparagus, crumbled feta, cherry tomatoes, bit of oregano, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and at the end, a little bit of lemon. So we've got Italian pork sausage, and we're actually going to get rid of the skin and then just break it off into little pieces, because as it cooks, the flavour and the oils of the sausage is going to go over all your other ingredients. It's green. No, you don't want them too big of pieces because you want it to cook evenly. I'm going to do a little bit of salt and pepper, sprinkle of oregano. So I want about 60 mils of water. So all our ingredients are in. We've given them a good mix with the olive oil, and I've just put about 60 to 80 mils of water in because we want that gnocchi to cook as well as crisp up. We've preheated our microwave oven and it's ready to pop in again on that grill and convection function. So we're going to pull it out. So just give me a quick little mix now. I actually don't think we need to add any more water. The gnocchi's cooked through. Probably would suggest using a bit of parchment paper, baking paper underneath, just to stop it sticking as it does cook. We've got a little bit of crisp happening on that gnocchi now. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of feather. Oops, that broken up a little bit more. And then a little squeeze of lemon juice just to give it a nice little fresh burst of flavour. So finished cooking and we're now in our cooling setting. You'll notice up here we're only pulling about 9 watts of power, so minimal power being pulled from the pull down.